Break ID number 5470. 2018 Plates and Patches Football, $2 break. Go. Who was that one, Keith? Only 3 left in the Optic Baseball with the autographed baseball bonus from TriStar Hidden Treasures. And there you go. Oh, they were both him. I see. Quincy Iwanua /99. Gronk /30. Triple patch /55, Royce Freeman. Denver, Kenton SM. Well, I do have a redemption right here. Not bad. Printing plate auto, so this is a 1/1 auto. Juju Smith-Schuster. That's not bad at all. Second year. You know there's not a lot of second years in here. Very nice. Pittsburgh. Timothy GL. And you can redeem that with us. Just select it when you see this card in your account tonight, and we'll put it back when it gets back. Like this one also, 1/1 magenta plate, Barry Sanders. Detroit. Eric RB. Oliver Vernon /99. Isaiah Crowell /50. And him again, triple patch /55, Juju Smith-Schuster. Pittsburgh, Timothy GL. Yeah, some of them are lightning fast, and some of them will outlive me. Auto /50, blue parallel, Ty Montgomery. Green Bay, CJ, DI. And the last one, black, 1/1, Zach Montgomery. Not Montgomery, that was Ty. Zach Cunningham. Houston. Eric RB. All right, there is another.